I wonder if this is going to get old. Huh? Me leaving the lens cap on as a funny joke. And I know I'm not leaving it on, but you know what it is. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Well, this time we're going to take it outside again. Again? Maybe? Maybe you hadn't seen the other episode because I'm rotating stuff around, and what I did this week, earlier this week, Sunday, Monday, jury duty week, you know. Whew, vacation before vacation. Come back. That's the way it's going to be. Run that intro. Check out Desiree and at Ren Road Therapy. What, did she change her name? No, she didn't. Yeah. So today it's just a little this, and I got it, and now I got to put it on. So let's go do that, and then we'll check the tire pressures and get ready for our van trip, which be the next thing you see. Because that's the way I'm going to edit it. Oh, well, schedule it, I should say. So let's take well, can't even walk straight. Let's take the show on the road, and we'll do that. A little cooler outside in the shade. What shade we got left? It was all the way up here, but now it's not because it's later in the day, and I just can't get motivated today. Heat. So, what do you think? Where should I put you? And where should I put the sticker? Sticker. I was thinking right here. Well, originally was going to put it here, and I got, you know, if you walk by, you won't see it. You know, you got to look down. People behind me, you know, can they still see that? And I know it's in black because my bike's blue and black. Oh, no. Maybe I get some tape and then I can step back. I need to get some tape anyway to measure it out. But I think that's where it's going to be put it. Most people put it down here. I think it looked good right there. Once I get it centered. Oh. Mm-hmm. Hey, look, a telemarketer. Potential spam. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? How are you?
Hi, it's Tom Bremen for the United Police Officers Coalition PAC. We're having our fundraiser and reaching out to everyone in the area. The goal is to make sure our police officers get the funding and equipment they need to keep our communities and neighborhoods safer, and support death benefits for the families of police officers killed in the line of duty. So we need to elect lawmakers who stand behind our police officers.
Is this a recorded message? I believe this is a recorded message.
I'm a real person. Do I sound that bad today?
You sound like a recording that I've heard 100 of times. Okay, you know, goodbye. Yep, you too. Fuck you. Oh, excuse my language. I didn't get to say back to blue. It happens to you. Oh, me. Did I sound that bad? Well, goodbye. We live here, and yeah, you know, I support the police officer, the good cops, and I respect the uniform. The person in the uniform might be a different story, because it seems like, I don't know, 65-75% of them are just bullies, and their ego gets the better of them. Follow the law, Constitution, win-win. Now let's go get that tape measure. So I brought a pen because I might need it. Tape measure and some tape. Tape's to kind of mark the outline of where we're going to put it. This thing's supposed to be 16 inches long. That's what I told her. And See? Well, she's 16 from start to start. That's about half an inch on each side, so she did pretty good. I got it from blue, well, 6.5. But if you look at it, if you measure, it's hard to hold this thing when it ain't straight. That's 16 inches from Instagram to YouTube. So next step, let's see if we can't find a center of 16 inches of 20. Let's see if we go 20 inches. So it's like center. So 20 divided by 2, carry a 1, and that'll be 1, 0. So that should be right there. And that's why I need tape measure. But I can't get stuck in. Don't want to leave it there. I should have kind of that Scotch tape, or painter's tape. I'm just going to put this right there. It won't be in the way. Just kind of that away. I take my pen. What did I do with it? Lost my pen. My marker. So, like I said, from there to there, it's like 20 inches. And how can I do this where it won't? Thing's supposed to lock. I already have your cap off. And kind of 10. Kind of right there. Mark is halfway. So if I line, let's see, 16 would be, I should have did this with straight and level, right? 16, half of 16 is 8 inches. And that's right at the eye. Dang, that's what I thought it would be, right at the eye. Right in the eye, dot your eye. That's perfect. That way I'll be centered. Looks perfect to me. Looks good to you, look good to me. And that's all, well, it's all that matters, right? And that would work out pretty dang good. All right, now how I'm gonna do this? Let's see, put my marker up. Come on up. It would help if you tuck it in the right way. So we know the eye is center. There, put that back. Put it back where I won't lose it, and I'll lose it. All right. I like to. I got a thing. Let me. I got a thing. I'll be right back. Here's my thingy. It's a squeegee with a felt on it, so it won't scratch nothing. But you kind of, I like to give it a good squeegeeing. Some people use soap on it, but I think I can do it without. That way, gets the top stuck to the bottom, the sticker part stuck to the peel off, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna peel a little corner there, and that's a lot to do, ain't it? I want the eye to line up there. So how can I do this? I had some leftover shrimp coming burping, and yep, I might need to pull that over just a little bit. I think that's good. And that way that'll hold it, and then I can step back and give it a good, better look. Here, let me show you. Dang squirrels or chipmunks, ground moles or something eating my yard up. So what do y'all think? What really matter, because I'm gonna stick it on there without y'all. Yeah, if you were riding behind me, well, who's that guy in front of us with the blue bike? Oh, he must be Doyle, because he's on a blue bike. Bill of Blue. I should say the Bill of Blue Bike and Doyle. That'd be a long one. Nah, let's don't do that. Don't do that. I just felt like running. Stupid is, stupid does. Alright, so, well, there ain't no backing out now. $16 I'm fixing to stick on there. I think that'll look pretty good. And I did it in black because I kind of want it to oh man. So I'm just going to do it this way. Right or wrong, it's the way we're going to do it. That should just fall right down in there, right? Man, I am good today. About time something goes right. Give it a couple of squeegees. Like I said, some people use, and I'll probably get, well, I didn't use, here comes the fun part. Now you got to get it to stick. You might have should have cleaned this sucker. Yep, I should have. Dang it. Well, too late now. We sticking. Yeah, it's sticking. I just can't. Oh, man. This is what's tedious. Sticky paper, not the bike. And it's black, and I can't. I really need to probably go inside. Because it's not wanting to stick. There we go. You know what? Before I get too far in it, let's do that. Let's go inside. Yeah, you won't be able to see this if you're behind me in a car. I still can't see you. Let's see. Let's change this around. We can spin this around. And hopefully...
Now, I got lights, camera. Let's see if we can see what we're doing here. Yeah, that's better. Hold up. Yeah. Make sure you... Yeah, I think that... Let me come in here and heat up a little bit. Still hard to get off that main line. See? See it? Ah, shoot. This is going to take... I'm not a professional. See, it wants to stick to that, not to the... the bike. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Let's see if we can work on this end. Maybe I can do better. That's doing pretty good. Yep. Nope. The AO don't want to stick now. Let's see. There you go. We got it. We got it. The Y's doing pretty good. The little Y, the little tail on the Y. The O's doing good. The D's doing the deed. Yay, it's getting better. All right, now the and. Not and. The squiggy line and. Come on now. There you go. Come on. You got sweet talking. It's still not working. I should have made it bold so it were. I didn't think about this. Come on, I can't see what I'm doing. I've got the B and an I. The Ale, I should say, the B and the Ale. There, I got the B off. See if we get the Ale off. Nope. What if I get paint down it? And then it won't make a stick with it. I don't know. Come on, Flair. Easy to come down real easy. Get straight like that. Yeah, come off, you. Come on, you. Can you do it? You, come on. Almost. The E. All right, we got the blue down. Yay, no bubbles. Woo, can we get the B? B got that little...
line on that back of the B makes it kind of not want to peel off the sticky starch. Come on. I can't see it. Nope, the B ain't sticking. Well, we got most of it. Take a break. All right. Taking a break kind of saved me a little bit, but the I don't want to stick. The dot does, but the I don't. Come on now. Got the B to stick. Can we get the I? We don't like much more.
The B and bike. Kind of want to mess up there a bit. Come on, you little squiggy line at the end of the I there. She just told me to make it all straight. Not make it look too fancy. We fancy like Dollar General on a Thursday. We had that stuck and that stuck. So we get it out. Nope, the E's not going to come off. Okay, nope, K's not going to stick either. I know what I'm going to do. Get some scissors. Cut out this excess. We know this done. Went past. So, the rest of the move. All we like is the Ike. We can get Ike to stick. We'll be doing alright. This wants to peel up. Come on, Ike. Ike. Come on, Ike. She made a little... we got a stick. Alright, we got Gotta get that K. Get the stick. Yep. We got top K. Now get the bottom K leg. The stick. Almost. Come on. Come on, you had it. These little cake, the little fancy stuff in it.
E, come on, E stuck. All we like's K, and we got it! Hot diggity dog! We got it. Did you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it now? Are you recording? Can you see the blue by and Doyle? Yay! It works. I like it. Let's put this light back up. Cut you off. You know, I don't know what you can see and what you can't see with the glare, but I can see it pretty good at different angles, and that's what I want. I wanted more of a ghost. What they, you know, if you, it don't stick out so much. I mean, I could have did it in white, and then it'd be stuck out like a sore thumb. But anyway, I give it a thumbs up. Blue Devil Vinyl is the one that did it. All right, to go, so that gives me a week to do the oil change. Yep, because I got like 1,000 miles, and time we get up there and get back, it'll be over. I don't like going over. 100 miles or so, maybe all right. 50, 60, you know, but not real much. So if you would, and if you could, and this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button. It's free. And if we got you fixed, we always dicking around with something in here. Next week, it's probably going to be a real good one. I fabricate something. You can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Like I said, it's free. We'll catch you on the... We'll see you in Bam.